Hello and welcome to a very beautiful location, but also with the shimmering blue skies behind, the waving blue ocean in the surface. I've come to check out something really cool. The shining blue Nokia 5.3. I was recently sent this Android 10 powered device. It packs some powerful internals, but it also packs gorgeous styling. So let's, without anything further, get it out the box here, see what comes inside the box, then take a little bit of a look around the device and see what it offers. First thing you notice is you slide it down, and of course, as is common with devices, you are greeted with the device on top. Now you notice it's got this gorgeous jet black display, and of course it's got Google Assistant being your first introduction, because of course this is all powered by Google. The device itself is very nice in the hand. It feels very solid. I'll get out the plastic soon, but you can see over at the back there a quad camera layout with a LED flash. You can see it's very nifty looking blue coloring and the styling, as well as what feels very premium and solid in the hand. Then inside the packaging here, we get a SIM pin ejection tool, which we're greeted with on top. What's really nice to see is, apart from the instructional manuals which you get in the box, underneath that you get a molded case. It's a soft rubberized TPU style case, but nice to see Nokia has included this in the box straight away. Then you also get a little slot here within the box, and that's got your simple wall power adapter. Yeah, this one is rated at a power output of 2 amps or 10 watts, and it comes with its USB-C type sync charge cable, as well as a pair of simple yet effective 3.5mm audio jack compatible in-ear headphones. And of course this phone bears the 3.5mm audio jack on the body, which I like to see, so you can of course use any normal headset that's wired that way. Now that we've gone through what's in the box, let's take a look around the device. Once you've got the device out of the box, you are greeted with, firstly, some of its key specs over on the front. It says it just keeps getting better, and that seems to be the case. They're talking about 2 days of battery life here, which is impressive. A 6.55-inch display, an AI-powered quad camera, as well as 2 years of guaranteed Android upgrades with this Nokia 5.3. From here you take a look around the body of the device. It's a gorgeous shimmering blue color, perfect for the setting which I'm in. Over on the back you get a fingerprint sensor, your quad AI camera style layout with LED flash over in the center, a 3.5mm audio jack on top. You get over at the bottom a single firing speaker, USB Type-C port. On the one side here a tray for your SIM tray and memory card, and on the other side a dedicated smart touch button. Over on this side of the device, simple power button and your volume rocker. Overall the device feels good in the hand and it looks very premium. So now it's time to peel away all the packaging and turn it on, see what it offers. Running Android 1 out of the box, as well as packing a Qualcomm Snapdragon 655 chipset, the Nokia 5.3 also packs a quad cam with 13 megapixel, a 5 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor, as well as 2 megapixel macro sensor, an 8 megapixel forward facing camera features, and to top it all, a large 4000 mAh battery for that 2-day mighty battery life. This device really does seem to package so much into an elegant, well-crafted product.